You don't even know how we started. I met your bitch down in Starless. Every bitch that work at Starless, they got a Jersey apartment. I was trying to hit, she kept stalling. You was blowing her phone, you kept calling. You fucking up my private party. She want a rock star, she got gnarly. She hung up the phone in a heartbeat, and then I start hearing her heartbeat. I don't get high, but the perk I get 8, cause the bitch ass earthquake. Get it? Ass so fat, had to listen. She ate the baby, no car seat. She made me pop a little RP. I put that bitch in V-Long. She don't even know I know Barbie. I took that shit out the bottle. Would you drink? That's reposado. She told me she like Bacardi. Little bitch, that's gon' harm me. She told me she like my style. Said I remind her. Funny thing, bitch, that my brother. But we do got different mothers. Suck on her pussy, she stutters. Let's go. Let's go. Suck on her pussy, she stutters. Whoa. Yes. Whoa. Yes. I put her face like Safari. I don't even care if you own her. Lil Uzi Vert, I regret it. You don't even know how we started. I met your bitch down in Starless.